In today's time, cataract surgery is no longer limited to only removing the cloudy lens. Now it can correct your entire vision as well. Earlier, patients needed glasses for distance or near vision even after surgery. But with modern technology, you can not only get the cataract removed, you can also achieve complete vision correction. This outcome mainly depends on two factors: the surgery technique and the lens selection. The first and most important step is the surgical technique. Today, cataract surgery is performed using flex or femtosecond laser-assisted cataract surgery or robotic cataract surgery with AI. These techniques not only remove the cataract but also significantly enhance the overall vision quality. This is made possible with the help of Zimmer Femto Z8 Neo, a US FDA-approved latest robotic laser technology that works completely blade-free. It creates highly accurate incision on the cornea with laser instead of a blade. Traditional methods involve manual cutting, which could sometimes be uneven. In contrast, robotic laser incisions are extremely smooth and precise, giving faster, safer, and more comfortable healing. If you have a small cylindrical power like 0.5 to 0.75, flex and robotic AI surgery can correct that as well, reducing the chances of any leftover number after the procedure. The second step is lens selection, which ultimately defines your final vision after surgery. Cataract surgery offers multiple lens options and each lens has a specific function. The right lens for you depends entirely on your lifestyle and vision needs. First is monofocal lens. This is a basic lens that involves distance vision. It works well for activities like driving or watching TV. However, for reading or close-up tasks, you may still need glasses. Multifocal lens if you want clear distance, intermediate and near vision. Then bifocal or trifocal lenses are suitable. These lenses provide complete freedom from glasses, though a mild glare or halos may be experienced by some patients, something not everyone notices. EDOF lenses or extended depth of focus. If you prefer sharp distance and intermediate vision without glare or halos, EDOF lenses are an excellent choice. They may require minimal glasses for very fine print, but in real-world experience, most patients with premium EDOF lenses do not need reading glasses at all. Toric lenses. These lenses are best for people with significant cylindrical power or astigmatism. However, if you opt for robotic AI surgery, the AI can correct your cylindrical power itself, meaning you don't have to pay extra for toric lenses. To sum it up, if you choose robotic cataract surgery combined with premium lenses such as EDOF or multifocal, you can restore your vision to the highest possible quality. This surgery not only removes the cataract but also gives long-term freedom from glasses. Where most hospitals charge around ₹50,000 extra for robotic surgery, at iMantra it starts from just $25,000. So don't overthink. Call our helpline number today to book your free checkup. If you have any question, feel free to comment. We are always here to help.